Primetime news this evening. Investment boom in Portmore, but the traffic nightmare causing frustration. Public health experts give government the thumbs up for creation of events calendar for vaccinated citizens, and later, a school in mourning. Teachers and staff of the St. Andrew Preparatory School receive grief counseling following murder of acting vice principal.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what has been your experience with traffic in Portmore recently. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.